my Amazon package arrived, and there she is, Elsa. So she came out when Frozen 2 was released. This is the singing doll. As you guys know, we do not get any Disney Star dolls this side, so I had to resort to Amazon, which was awesome. I mean, it didn't even take that long. So we're going to do an up-close unboxing. Let's get started. Let's start. So I've got my box opener and my scissors. Please be careful with this. Okay, so we're gonna, I think, start with, let's cut the tape. There we go. Other side. Oh, it's only one. Is it only one piece? I think so. I think it's only that one piece. Let's open. That looked much better. And there we go. Was a bit of a struggle to get a head released and not mess up this, because this is extremely gelled, and for good reason. You definitely do not want to mess that up. There is a little bit of, you know, hairs sticking out here and there, but I can live with that. I will be able to fix it. But I think it was a success. No damage done. And if you twist her arm, she starts singing. And there we go. Beautiful, beautiful song. Obviously this is the cape. Love the detail in this. It's printed on. And then we've got a awesome boots. And looks like pants or leggings. Okay. So this is not two separate parts. It's actually sewn together, but it looks perfect. And then we've got this little belt that you can remove if you want to. Look at the details on the shoes. I mean, that is insane. That is awesome. And then obviously, you know, she's got the new face sculpt from the previous Disney Elsa doll. This hand is fully articulated. So I can just check where to bend the thing. Just scared I'm gonna break it. There we go. And then she's got these awesome shoulder pads. And then she's got like a little elastic around the hair, you know, that's tied to the arm, which I think I'm gonna leave like that, just to try and maintain the hairstyle. But I'm so happy I finally got my hands on one of these. I'm so over the Hasbro versions. You know, they're not bad. I mean, the Hasbro dolls are also awesome. But there is obviously, you know, a difference. Let me show you quick. So obviously, this is the Hasbro version, but this is in the end part of the movie where she's wearing the white dress. You know, she's got that. She's got her hair going on there. So the faces look completely different. I do think this one's a little bit more accurate, but this one's obviously much better quality. And I think there's a difference in the size as well. So if I had to choose, really sorry Hasbro, I love you, still gonna keep buying your dolls, but obviously my aim is to also, or rather go for Disney store version, but I will still buy the Hasbro as well. So that's my review of Elsa, and just make sure you do not mess this up. You will never get this doll back again if you do mess it up. For kids it's fine, they're just gonna play with the doll, but for us, you know, as adult collectors, we want to try and maintain the quality as much as possible. So there we go. I'm so happy we finally got her, and yeah, I'm about 2-3 years late, but better late than never. So I'm gonna end this off with Elsa singing, and thank you guys so much for watching.